Hello and welcome back. So in this video, we're going to total the maintenance cost per mile. So we're going to go back up to our formula bar and hit the equal sign, sum, and type in C4, again multiplying times using the asterisk by D4, close parentheses, type enter. And as you can see, we have a nice big number here. And I'm going to go through and add the dollar sign to it so we know we're talking about dollars. And then I'm going to take my autofill and drag down column F so I can get my totals. As you can see, again, we have the number sign. So I'm going to make my column a little wider. There is also, it's missing the format. So you can just come over here to the right, grab your cursor, go up to the Format Paper button right here, click it, and as you can see, you have the dots moving, and go there, and you can see that it highlighted, it changed the format of the dollar sign, so you can go back up, just click, and your table is now matching again. Thank you for watching.